Hello, my sexy peoples.
They can't see you.
Oh yeah, you're right. So I was like this one day, and like, it just happened. She was like 12, 13, 14, 15. And then like, all of a sudden, I just whipped it out, and then it happened. It was all over, everywhere. Like, I couldn't even clean it up. And it was like, wow. It's like, you know those peanut butter sandwiches, like you take it apart, and it's like, oh, yuck, yuck. And then I went home and watched videos, and then all of a sudden, I was just sitting there, and then I drank, and then like, I don't know even what I'm talking about anymore. Okay, where was I? And then I kissed a man, and it just went all over my face, and then like, all of a sudden, I mean, give me time to think. My God, that was hot.
It's tasty.
This is Captain Kirk signing off. Fuck you. How do I stop this?
Press the red button.